Hey guys, this is Bob Hope with K&J Trucking. I'm going to show you how to override a Thermo King door switch so the unit will start. When the switch goes bad, if your unit won't start and the doors are shut and there's an alarm because the door switch is bad, it'll say door right there. So you want to hit menu once and then press the exit button and the third one, which is blank, at the same time and hold them. Now you're in maintenance menu. You want to scroll all the way down until this fourth key is blank. Now press the blank one and exit at the same time and hold them until it says guarded access at the top, or guarded menu. So now you're in guarded access. You're going to select the first one, programmable features. And you're going to go down to door forces. Door open forces. It says unit null, which is correct because the switch is bad, so it shuts it off, or if the doors are open, it shuts it off. So select that one. And then you want to go to log only, so go up, highlight log only, hit change. And then it's going to program it. And then you just hit exit all the way out until it says configuring. And once it's done configuring, it should start up on its own.